So another a little small and important concept for us to understand is the pipe operators. How we can use the pipe operators to chain different operations in order to format the data that we have. The formatting can include changing to uppercase or changing to lowercase, or you can have decimal operators, right? So there are a lot of times when you need to transform the data. You have an input and you want to transform the data and you print it as a different output. So pipe operators helps at there. A pipe operator is something which takes to another format and prints it. Right? So there are five different built-in pipes that you have to convert to uppercase, lowercase, the decimal operator and formatters, and the currency formatter and the percentage operators. These are pretty much straightforward. We'll just have a look at one or two examples, and then we'll see how we can build a custom pipe. In order to see this, let's go back to our old application where we display the list of users and try to format them. So this is the application that we have. Let's try to format the first names to all uppercase and last names to all lowercase. So this is the pipe operator and you can say uppercase, and this is the pipe operator here and you can say lowercase, right? Let's see how the output is. So as you can see here, the pipe operator has changed all the first names to capital case and all the last names to small case, right? Likewise, if you have a number here, right, you can always say number. It gets printed as a number. It's already a number, and if you want to format it to some decimal places, you can always specify that. So in this case, this is an ID which we are trying to format a number which is already a number. Assume this ID is a price, right? Suppose I have a price which I have to format for two decimal places, right? And I want to say 1.22 or 4.11. It should be a one digit before decimal and two digits after decimal. If I want to do that, I can even pass arguments to this number formatter. So you can say 1 dot 2 hyphen 2 and enclose it in single quotes. And you can see it has taken two decimal places, right? If I say 2 dot 2 hyphen 2, it will give me two digits by prefixing it with 0. So likewise, you have other operators like currency and percent, right? So please go ahead and experiment. Now let's see how we can deal with the custom pipes, because many times in the application you have lot of use cases where you want to apply these simple transformations from one to another. Say I have a use case in my application where I never want to display the full credit card number. I want to always display the last four digits of my credit card number, right? So I can write a simple pipe operator for that, and it will always take 16 digits or 15-digit credit card number as input, and it is going to output me the last four digits, right? Let's build a custom pipe operator to do that now. In order to build a custom pipe operator, let's go to the ng generator and generate a pipe. Right, p for pipe, and let's say card, right? The name of my pipe is card. As you can see, it has created me the pipe. And if you look at the last line, right, there is an update in the app module. So always be sure to observe what is the update that happens in the app module, right? As you can see here, the card pipe has been added to the declarations here, right? So all the components which we have created, everything is part of the declarations here, right? Now let's go back and pass or try to format the credit card number. Let's hard code it for now. Right? So I want only the last four digits 4, 5, 6, 7 to be printed. Right? So we have created a pipe for that. Let's go to the pipe component and see what it has done. Right? As you can see here, it is being annotated with @pipe, and this is the name of the selector which I have to use whenever I want to display. So I will say card number pipe operator card. Right? So this is how I'll be using the selector. I can change the type of value to say string, right? Let's go back and change the number to string, right? Transformed value is value dot from substring 12 to 16. I'm printing only the last four digits. So here I can return the transformed value, right? 16. I'm printing the card number without applying any pipe operator. So you can see it has printed the complete card number. Now I want to apply the pipe operator, and the selector which I have to use here is card, and this word comes from the pipe selector which we have defined here, the name of the pipe which we have defined here. And you can see as soon as I save this, you can see only the last four digits is displayed here. Now you can use this in any number of components as you want. So this is how you create a custom pipe.